whenever. Hit that like button. Bye.
All right, so I just wanted to do a little bit of an update here. After that great intro, I wanted to talk about the account because, as you know, I had an issue with the account where $38,000 was gone. Now it's all back, actually back a lot quicker than I thought it would be because I said it would probably be back mid next week or end of next week because they said the asset transfer process would take 5 days, but it didn't. It took about 1 day, so I was really happy with the overall turnaround there. Obviously, the transfer over to a closed account was not something I was excited about, but I wanted to go through some details here, give you guys some pointers if you're looking to transfer, and also if you end up making any mistakes. So before I get started, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and if you want to join any of the Discord group or as a member of the channel, the links are down below. Definitely do that. So let's talk about my account. So now I have $38,000 in my Webull account. I'm able to have my day trade set up. I'm really excited about that, so I don't have any issues there. However, this is the month where I'm going to need to pay taxes, and some of this money is coming out for taxes, so that's always an issue. But still, have the money in there available to day trade with. We could see that these are all the positions. Now, if you look at the average prices are something that updates once it gets cleared into this account. So let's say for AMC should not be at $10.20. It should be around $9 and $9.50, $9.60, I believe, somewhere around there, because the combination of the two accounts. So it should be around that $9.50 mark. So this just bought it at this price of $10.20, as well as GameStop. GameStop I bought in at $2.40, and the average price is showing $1.76. So it's showing that I'm losing a lot less than I am. So it's always great for you to know what your cost basis is, because if you ever transfer over, then you're basically going to have all new prices. Really, you can set the prices that you want. I believe they said there's some way to do this, but I think it is more of a complex process to where you have to call into customer service, or there might be a way online. I'll have to check into it. If I hold on to it for longer. If it was something I was holding on to for longer, then it would be a different story. But let's go through this. So we can see that I have 200 shares of Ride, 100 shares of Romeo Power, RMO. I have ADT, which were free stocks. I have 3,000 shares of ZOM. That's sitting there. SOS, I have 1,000 shares. Fubo TV, I have 100. ZNGA was a free stock. GameStop, I have 2 shares. It should have been at 240, but it's at 176. GE was a free stock. And AMC, 1,450 shares. And cost is about 100 shares as well. This was a free stock as well. So I have a lot of positions here. I'm looking to clear out some of the positions as they do start to grow. We just need to see some positivity instead of negativity. We've been seeing a lot of negative movement for a lot of positions lately. And good thing is, I think ZOM is going to pop off soon. It's going to be really big. And if it doesn't, it goes down to 70 cents. I'm buying in at 70 cents. I really do believe in the position, especially with a lot of the shorting that's going on. So this is where my account actually stands. I just wanted to let you guys know that it's here, that it's back. I'm able to day trade with it. I have $9,000 in cash, $29,000 in total market securities. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So if you ever go through any complex process and you feel like you have any issues, make sure you call customer service as much as possible. They're there to help. And I understand if you have to wait on the phone, it sucks. But it does come in handy if you know all of it. So I always recommend getting your questions that you want to get answered, jot them down, and ask all your questions, get them answered. And then that's what I went through. And I pretty much had, a pretty relaxed mind. You could see that I wasn't, panicking in any way. There are people saying, "Oh, I would have been panicking," but I'm happy that I wasn't, panicking, and nothing really went wrong, because something could have really went wrong. It could have been transferred into a closed account and basically saying that all that money is gone or whatever, and that would have sucked. Obviously, it can still receive money into a closed account. It's just you can't trade with it. So I would have had to do this asset transfer. So I know with like Fidelity and other brokerage accounts, it's a lot easier to do it than Webull from what I've seen. Fidelity still hasn't closed my other account, so they don't have any issues with closing your account after you transfer everything. So yeah, it's really just from what I hear, a Webull and Robinhood thing. But everything's back. We're going to continue to invest and make some moves. I am a little upset with crypto because I was waiting for crypto to drop. It dropped while my money was in limbo, so I couldn't get into Ethereum, even though now Ethereum is up $900 more than where I wanted to invest into a week ago. A week ago. Like, did you hear that? A week. Anyways, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, comment down below if you've had any issues with transferring funds before. But I'm happy that everything's back. So, guys, if you want to join as a member, I do live streams with members only chats every morning. So if you want to join as a member, it's right down below. Only 99 cents. If you don't like it after the first month, go ahead and cancel. Feel free to do it. Yeah, I try to respond to every comment. So anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next video.